Introduced 2015 Infiniti QS80. Customer state the engine run rough and check engine light came on. So came in, we do the diagnostic. We saw the valve lifter broken. Okay, and this is a new valve, uh, new lifter valve. Okay, we show you. Hey, see that? That old one, that new one. You see all little tiny hole that where the oil coming out. So it's some reason and this not getting enough oil, so it's wear out, and you can see it behind this. Look at behind here. It had a thing like a right. And because of this damage and the cause of this is a high pressure fuel pump, and the cause of high pressure fuel pump damage as well too. You see that right there? Can you see that where? Right. And this is a new high pressure fuel pump. So when we go in there, we also replace the camshaft as well. Okay. Well, let me point you out in the engine here. It's just right here. Okay. All right. So this video is not show you how to fix. It just point you out the diagnostic, why the engine run and rough and check engine light came on. Okay, see that right there. Okay.